Hi guys, let me show you how to cover your backup the best way. If you're new to this page, then you should like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Before we kick start, I'm going to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is Stybit. Stybit is designed for fashion designer to help them manage their businesses. So with Stybit, I can save measurements on my device and also save customers' information here. So I'm going to click on this new customer button here. So the first information required is the customer's name, the phone number. You should include the country code if you want to message the customer on WhatsApp. So you indicate that this number is a WhatsApp number. Then here are all the body measurements here. So we have all the upper body measurements and even the lower body measurements. You can save a male customer too. So clicking here, you get to switch to a male. You can save your measurements in either inches or in centimeters. By clicking here, you select whether you want it in centimeters or inches. You can also add order. So to add a new order, you click this new order button. You can send invoice to your customer to remind them about any pending payment that you are yet to receive from them. You also get notified about any order that is about to overdue. Here you can see that it is written that 4 order will overdue in 48 hours. So you also get notified so that you won't disappoint. You can also invite others to Stybit, so you earn pro point by inviting others to Stybit. You come to this small button here, you see invite a friend. You click on that to generate your link. You can also join Stybit community. So on Stybit, you get access to free fashion designer community where you'll be in a fashion designer group. I'll leave a link in the description box and also in the comment section to download Stybit. Just go to the comment section, click on the link to download Stybit. Let's get back to it. So I'm going to be doing this with masking tape. So I'm going to cover the whole of this backup with masking tape, adding it layer upon layer, but adding it in a way that no part of the backup will be left untouched. So just watch how I covered the backup with this masking tape. Once you're done covering the backup, then you're going to bring in your pen or marker. I'm going to be using marker here so you can see it clearly. So I want to trace the shape of the backup from inside of the backup. So I'm tracing the shape because I'm going to cut out the excess of this masking tape. Then I folded the backup into two because I want to mark the middle of the backup. So I folded it into two and mark the middle. After marking the middle, I bring in my tape rule and I mark 2 inches as the upper layer of the backup. So I'm marking 2 inches here. You can do as you want, maybe 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, but 2 inches is just fine for me. So after marking the 2 inches, I'm going to connect the 3 points. So this is me connecting the points together. After that, I'm going to peel out the masking tape from the backup. Peeling out the masking tape, remember we want to peel out the masking tape in such a way that all the masking tape will be together. You don't want to separate them, so you should be careful when peeling out the masking tape. So at this point, I'm going to trim out the excess I left earlier. The excess was for me to be able to peel out the masking tape from the backup. So after peeling, I can trim out the excess because there is no need for that anymore. So you're going to trim out the excess, and after trimming, you're going to have the masking tape like this, and we want to separate this. I want to cut it into 3 parts. The first one I'm going to cut is the upper part of it. Then I'm going to divide the lower part of the masking tape into 2. Then I'm placing it on a surface like this because I want to mark. You can actually mark it before cutting them, but I forgot when doing mine, so I'm going to do the marking now. I want to indicate it so that I am not going I won't mess it up. So there is it, doing it, marking. After cutting, I'll place them on the fabric I want to use. So placing it on the fabric will be like this. Then I'm going to leave space, I mean allowance, in between them because we're going to add seam allowance around this fabric. So that's why I left enough space between them. So you're going to cut, leaving allowance between them. You can measure your allowance to make it equal because you want it to be equal. After cutting, I'm going to move to sewing them. So I pick the two lower parts of the bra cup first. Then after that, I'm going to join them to the upper part of the bra cup. So joining them, you should leave at least a reasonable seam allowance, nothing more than 1 centimeter. So my seam allowance is not more than 1 centimeter. Then you should join through. You can see that at this point I'm set to join this upper part of the bra cup to the lower part, but before I do that, I'm trying to get the midpoint off and the upper part of the bra cup. After getting the midpoint, I open the seam allowance of the lower part of the bra cup, then place it on the midpoint of the upper part, then start joining. Remember, your seam allowance is just 1 centimeter. Once you are done sewing them together, you should go to your table, open the seam allowance and press it flat, just as this. All the seam allowance should be pressed flat. After pressing, I'm going to fold my bra cup into two because I want to get the midpoint of it and to get the middle of the bra cup. So I am folding it into two now and mark straight on it before I place the fabric on the bra cup. After placing the fabric on the bra cup, all I want to ensure is that the seam allowance of the lower part of the bra cup, I mean the fabric, aligns with the middle line I just marked on the bra cup. So once it aligns, I'm going to start sewing the bra cup to the fabric. So this is the final work, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment and share, and most especially subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video.